Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add any NFC cards to Apple Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, in order to do this, you first want to make sure you're running iOS 13 or above. If you are running an older iOS version, unfortunately it's not going to be compatible, so you can check what version you're running by opening up your settings. From your settings, you want to scroll down and press onto General. Then what you want to do is press on About at the top of this screen, and it's going to tell you what iOS version you're running. So in my case, you can see I'm currently running iOS version 18.2.1. Now what you have to do is open up your App Store and go to the search bar. In the search bar, type NFC Tools, and here you have to download this app with orange color. You have to tap on that and download it your iPhone. It's just going to take a minute to do. And once that's downloaded, just go ahead and open up NFC Tools. Now from this screen, what you want to do is make sure you've got your NFC card to hand, and then what you want to do is press the orange Read button at top. Once you press this, you're going to see it says Ready to Scan, Approach, and NFC Tag. And at this point, all you need to do is simply scan the NFC tag on your NFC card. Once you've done that, it should be picked up and automatically added to your Apple Wallet. So that's basically how you can add any NFC cards to Apple Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.